How's it going, ATPF family? My name is Dalton Kincaid. I am currently a football player at the University of Utah, former University of San Diego football player, also part of the football mentorship program. Coming into college, I was introduced to ATPF by senior quarterback Anthony Lawrence, and from there, kind of just fell in love with it. He brought me to the beach event my freshman year when I was 18 years old, and from there got involved with the mentorship program with John Hickey, and just took off with it from there. Currently, I'm at the University of Utah and trying to implement a similar program here, reaching out to similar organizations and foundations, trying to find a good fit, a good match. With COVID and the pandemic, it's been difficult to do so, but future plans, we are trying to incorporate a similar football mentorship program like the one we had at the University of San Diego, because personally that was one of my favorite parts of being a football player there, and I hope that at Utah some people see the foundation and program how I do and kind of connect like I did and just kind of find a love for it like that. Thanks ATPF family. Hope everyone's having a great day. Talk to you soon.